Carrying on with volume, and for this one starting with cubes, we're identifying any missing dimension, any missing measurement. So we've been given the volume of this cube. It's 343 centimetres cubed, and we know that it's 7 centimetres high and that it goes back to a depth of 7 centimetres. For this sort of one you can just use common sense. Because it's a cube, we know that all the sides are going to be the same. So if it's 7 back and 7 up, it's also going to be 7 across. And if we checked it, 7 times 7 times 7, or 7 cubed, is 343. The volume of this cube is 8 centimetres cubed. What is the missing length? Pause the video, have a go. It's 2 centimetres up and it goes back 2 centimetres. We know it's a cube, so all the dimensions must be the same. It stands to reason that that missing length is going to be 2 centimetres. Something cubed is 8, and if you've learned your cube numbers, you will know that 2 cubed is 8. Remembering that all the dimensions will be the same if it's a cube helps you if you don't know any of the dimensions, but you do know the volume, as long as you know your cube numbers, of course. If the volume of this cube is 27 centimetres cubed, what must each dimension be? So this is a case of knowing that they're all going to be the same, and if you've learned your cube numbers, something cubed is 27. And just a quick reminder that there are some cubed numbers that it is a good idea just to learn off by heart. There's not that many that you should be learning at this stage. So each of those dimensions must be 3 centimetres. And here's one for you to have a go at. If you're not sure, just check out the video on the cube numbers that you should remember. Pause the video, have a go. The volume of this cube is 125 centimetres cubed. Because it's a cube, all the dimensions will be the same. Something cubed is 125. Each of those dimensions will be 5 centimetres. This one's a bit different because it's a cuboid and not an exact cube. We have one of the dimensions that's missing. How do you work out what it is? We know the volume and we know 2 of the dimensions. The volume is 45 centimetres cubed, and it's 3 centimetres high and 3 centimetres in depth. So we can use what we have already. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by something is 45. If we start with what we've got, we know that 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. That leaves us with the missing dimension. If we take the volume of 45 and divide that by 9, that should give us the missing dimension. 45 divided by 9, well, 5 times 9 is 45, so that missing length must be 5 centimetres. And if we check that, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 5 is 45. So that missing length is 5 centimetres. And here's a similar one for you to try. What is the missing depth of this cuboid if the volume is 120 centimetres cubed and we have a height of 8 and a width of 5? Pause the video, have a go. We know the volume is 120 and is 8 centimetres high and 5 centimetres wide. This tells us that 8 times 5 times the missing number will take us to 120. What we have so far, 8 times 5 is 40. When we times that 40 by something else, we'll get to 120. So if we take 120 and divide it by 40, it'll take us to the missing number. And that's 3, because 3 lots of 40 makes 120. 8 times 5, that's 40. 40 times 3 is 120. The missing dimension is 3 centimetres. If you want to find more of my Maths YouTube videos quickly and easily, visit my website, click on the link for math videos at the top of the home page, scroll down for the section of maths you need, then click on the link for that playlist.